Everyone talks about DevOps like it is just a CECD and some YAML files. But top-performing teams know there are hidden features, critical pieces that make DevOps truly efficient, secure, and scalable. In this video, I'll break down 10 high-demand DevOps features that most teams ignore, but elite teams can't live without. Let's dig in. Give developers the ability to spin up approved infra stacks without ticketing. Tools like Backstage or Port allow developers to request environment, services, or databases safely. Automate compliance, enforce security, and naming rules with code using OPA, Sentinel, or Kibernel. Build golden paths, templates, and tools that reduce cognitive load. DevX is now DevOps' best friend. Code should be observable from the start. Include tracing, structured logs, and metrics from day one. Create reusable infrastructure and tools. Let platform teams pave golden paths instead of firefighting. Know what changed, when, and what broke. Connect code changes with production impact. GitOps isn't just sensing manifests, add diffs, version tracking, and auto rollbacks. Don't ship to everyone. Use canaries, feature flags, and A/B testing to minimize risk. Security is everyone's job. Embed security scanning, threat modeling, and SBOM into every step. Are your pipelines slow, flaky, or failing often? Track it, fix it, monitor it, add dashboards and trend analysis to continuously improve. So let's recap these 10 high-impact features: the self-service infra, the policy as code, the DevX automation, observability first, platform engineering, change intelligence, GitOps with rollbacks, progressive delivery, DevSecOps culture, and pipeline analytics. Most teams overlook this, but the best teams build with them. Tell me in the comments which one do you want a deep dive on next. Like, subscribe, and share this with your DevOps crew.